This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, we will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Network and Internet category, onwards tap at the Wi-Fi, then assuming that the network you would like to reveal the password for is the same network you are currently connected to, you gotta tap on it. Then at the network details page, go for the share option, and at the share Wi-Fi section, you can actually see the Wi-Fi password or the password to this particular Wi-Fi network, as well as QR code that you can further scan with any other device and get the aforementioned device, should it be phone or tablet, automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.